Hi, my name is Daniel, and in this video I'll show you how to create an image carousel and add it to a durable website. Let's get started. The Image Carousel widget is a great addition to any website. To start, enter Common Ninja website. Choose your widget from our large collection of widgets. And once you've entered the widget page, click on the Create button to enter the editor. Here, in the editor, you can edit the content. Select a layout. Customize the look and feel. And change the settings. When you're done, click the Save Changes button to save your work. If you don't have an account on Common Ninja yet, you'll have to register first. When you're ready to add the widget to your website, go back to the dashboard. Now, on the dashboard, you'll see the widget you've created. Click on the Add to Website button. In the window that opens, copy the code. And close the window. Remember, you can always return to the widget and keep on editing it. Now, let's head to the Durable Editor. In the Durable Editor, select Add Section at the location where you desire to place the widget on the page. Select the Embed section type. And in the new section you've added, click on the Edit button. Now, in the code window simply paste the widget code you've copied before. Please note, the widget content will only show on the published site. Click on Save to close the code window. And that's it. Now, the image carousel will show on your website.